Welcome back, guys, to my second day of me trading on my Top Step prop firm account. So as we see, a little bit pre-market still. Oh no, the market's open now, but I want to wait a little bit until like it's like I only like another like 30 minutes or so, and then start maybe taking trades. But have to leave a little early today, so I won't be able to trade for too long. But we do see a big sell-off right there. Touch the EMA. Oops. Comes back down, makes it a little low, comes back up here. Now starting like trying to trade upwards, which we love to see. I'm gonna draw my little line right here. Yeah, unfortunately, I have no idea how to make these lines a little bit better, but this is what we are working with at the moment. Let me fix this bar real quick. Like something like this. I think something like that, yeah. I like this. I'm not taking a trade, but I think this is a pretty good long. Like if I was like, it's like right there, pretty good long right there. But I'm just gonna just watch right now because I don't want to really trade. So we're gonna just watch and then I'll come back when I have a potential trade. I'm thinking like not right now, but like relatively soon. This is a pretty good like buy option right here. So just like it's not overshooting. It's gonna come back. Yeah, look at this little very bullish right here. It's right there, going back to the highs. Yep. See, it's a little overshoot and then right back into the box. So yeah, very nice, very nice. I'll see about taking that, but I really don't want to trade right now. I'll wait a little bit longer. Yeah, see, TP would have been hitting everything. So yeah, we'll come back when I see something else. And then fishing right here, if it's a reverse over this bar right there, look like another pretty good buy opportunity right there. But still don't want to take this trade. So I'd like to wait a couple more minutes, but I might jump the gun pretty soon because I saw like another trade earlier happen that I wanted to take, but didn't take because I didn't want to trade just yet. Went until like another like 13 minutes really to trade. But if I really see something happen, then this one's not as clear to me as like this was right here. I did see this right here, but it's like this is a lot clearer in my personal opinion. But like this one, it looks like it's like right here. Yeah, I think right here would be like a really good buy opportunity right there. So I would have got filled in right now. So let's see if it would have worked. That one red line right there. Okay, unfortunately probably got stopped out because my stop loss is a little too small. But if I have my stop loss like under here, then I think we should still be good. I feel like it's like usually after the swings, let's see where the stop loss should be at. So yeah, it would have worked if, you know, if I had my stop loss like literally underneath this tick right here or this wick right there. But since my like stop loss is like very small, then yeah, it would have gotten, we got stopped out, but then it went in our favor eventually. So I'm about to rework that my stop loss, but yeah, we're working with what we're working with is what we're working on right now. So maybe, yeah, maybe I'll adjust it soon, but we'll keep it as what it is right now. So yeah, but yeah, I did see something like that happening, but being taken out of the trade would have been unfortunate. But yeah, so like I said, I just want to wait still because I want to see a bigger picture. But I do see, yeah, we are pumping. Oh my god, yeah, it's gonna get a lot more crazier. I'd love to see that, but come back when I see a potential like trade or something. All right, so we are back. So I'm thinking about taking this potential trade right here. I see it bounce off the EMA right here already once. Well, let's probably do it the second time. It bounces off the EMA once again, and then I'm not gonna put my order right there. I don't really necessarily like that. I feel like it's gonna come back down a little bit more. But so I'm thinking about taking my first buy option. Okay, I actually might leave right now. Unfortunate, but I think it might still come back down a little bit more. This is what I'm looking at right now to take this trade. Bouncing off the EMA once again. Going to the EMA now. Okay, so it's gonna touch the bottom of this bar right there. I feel like so this is the first short and second entry short right there, I believe, and then I want to take this trade. Like if it goes over this right here, I want to put this buy order right there. But yeah, that's what I'm seeing. That's what I'm thinking. That's what it looks like to me right now. I think I'm gonna do it. Yeah, because we're in an uptrend still, and EMA is basically holding. It's been kind of holding the entire time, breaking through a little bit, but like that should be fine. But for the most part, it's been holding. Okay, so this bar is looking pretty was it bearish? So it's gonna have to like just wake up, not wake up, but like really like power through. And that's how I see this happening here. Like this is gonna power through. I'm gonna put this buy in. I'm gonna wait a little bit. Let's see how these candles form before I put my order. But yeah, I feel like this happens quite a bit, to be honest. Like, or it looks very bearish, and then just not like this is like doesn't look necessarily look too bullish, and then it just keeps going up. And still like working its way up higher. Oh yeah, now it's market's really moving now. Okay. Oh wow, huge sell-off, huge sell-off. All right, so we have a huge overshoot. Now I believe this is what usually happens, like overshoot. This is something sometimes just a line out here, probably not, but overshoot and then like a return back into this channel if I'm not mistaken. So let me draw these new lines real quick. This is what I'm seeing as of right now. Oh, those things came in hard. Okay, I'm very sure it's gonna go short. Like people are gonna go short. It's EMA, maybe even a little earlier, I guess. But I think right we got this EMA. People are gonna go short. Yeah, it's already like working out. See the first entry long, and then I think gonna be a second entry long probably happening, and then trap. Yep, EMA is still holding. Maybe something like that. Yeah, I don't know, but EMA is still holding. I'm not taking any trade right here, but okay. So yeah, it's gonna for sure come back down to here, and then I guess making another low. That's not the same low. That's it right here. These two right there, and yeah. But yeah, I'll be back when I see a potential trade. Okay, sorry. Here I'm looking for another. Oops. I'm looking for a potential buy-in opportunity. So we have one going short, second entry going short. So I'm gonna put my buy maybe like right here above this tick. EMA is above too, so put the order in right now. EMA is like kind of supporting it. So
Stop filled. Stop filled.
Oh wow, that's very unfortunate. very unfortunate. But it's gonna literally break up above this right here. Okay, I should wait a little bit longer. Should have got in there way too early, way too early. But it's gonna break through, come back into the channel, and then go up higher. Or is it retesting this low? Okay, actually, I might have overlooked. So I should like overshot this right here, this entire downtrend. It might be making another low down to here, and then continue up. Now that I'm actually like, yeah, I think that's what's gonna happen. Yeah, so I got trapped right there. Yeah, well, I thought to go long because you see like a lot of buying pressure right here. So I was like, okay, then so the buyers are stepping in. So we have one time of going short, second time going short, still at the EMA. So I was like, okay, so let's just capitalize on this EMA. You know, I'm holding support, but this is like way too early, and this is that overshoot that I'm talking about. But I thought this is like an overshoot as well, like it coming down. But like I guess the market like just instantly opened, so that makes sense of why I didn't kind of go back into this box right here. But so I thought this was the overshoot, supposed to go back there, but no, I did not. But this is for sure the overshoot right here. It's gonna go back to make another low. See, like the EMA is now holding all these shorts right there, so that's very unfortunate right there. But okay, I do not see I see where I messed up at. So yeah, it's the first trade of the day. Took an L on the first trade, but it is a-okay because I do see why that occurred. So we'll come back when there's another potential trade. Yeah, it's coming back to make this low. It's below this right here potentially, but yeah, it's coming already down. So but yeah, this is gonna be another low, lower than this one. But yeah, so yeah, it's already making C. So yeah, so I see what I did wrong. So just gotta make a mental note of that and keep pushing. But so this downward trend is about to be over soon, and then we can for sure start looking for buys. I was just way too early with the trade, way too early with the trade. So that's my mistake right there. So yeah, we'll be back with another trade potentially. Okay, so now since we got that overshoot right here, little correction, my error right there for going long when we are due for another extreme low, which we did make this extreme low right here, and we're pushing right through the EMA once again. And so now I'm thinking that now we can take the longs that I was looking for. We were still we were still in that downtrend earlier, but now we're gonna actually start like looking for potential long opportunities right here, since after we make that extreme after the overshoots. So I'm seeing something like this, I guess. The EMA is actually holding up pretty well. I think it's still a little bit too early for me to like still see. I think like right here might be a good actual buy opportunity right here. Like I'm not gonna do it, but like right here, that's pretty solid. But it is a little too early for like this channel of like starting up, so I do want to see more candles print out before I kind of take a position, either which way I choose. You know, for some reason I might want to go short, but I highly doubt it. I think it's time to go long now. So I think this might be like the first entry short, and then this maybe this, I don't know. I don't know. This kind of trips me up a little bit here and there. Sometimes seeing the first and or second short or long options, but yeah, see it broke under the EMA, and it's actually still going down a little lower, but it's a little overshoot or a little correction. It's gonna come back into this channel right here, and then when it comes back to the channel, I believe it's gonna keep pumping out. Yeah. Let's see how this plays out though. And I'm gonna have to end it a little bit early today, unfortunately. But what I am thinking, right? So the days that I do have to leave a little early, I think I am going to be on the what's it called, the demo account for my Top Step to like still get some trades in, still understand what's going on and whatnot. And then the actual days I can trade a little bit longer, then that's when we'll be actually on the live Top Step trading account, trying to get some trades in, because I already took this L on the live account, and it's okay because we're gonna bounce back 100%. I know that for a fact, but like I said, I'm not gonna be able to trade for too much longer. Okay, it's actually still respecting the EMA. Interesting. Okay, interesting. But what's it called? But yeah, so I'm not gonna be able to trade for too long. So yeah, I'm gonna just trade on the practice account for the shorter days. So like I say, stick my practice in, so understand what's going on, see why it's doing the way it's doing, and so forth, so on. And then the longer days where I can actually trade a bit longer than my shorter days, then we're gonna be in the regular account. So yeah, so I guess also my little analysis, my little bias of going long around here, it was still wrong, unfortunately, but it's okay. Like I said, that's why I said it's still way too early for me to like go along or something like that, because I still want to see more things like printed out, because like, I wasn't convinced, but this is the time I was like, maybe we can go for shorts. But let's say we might be in a range right now or something. I'm mistaken. Let me see. I'm kind of seeing this as a range. Yeah, something like that. And then looking to the upside, like I said, I'm still biased to the long side as of right now, but yeah, see, like I didn't want to take that trade because, like I said, I was not too confident about it. I am trying to acknowledge that we are going to be in a long, we're gonna go long soon. We're gonna be in a bullish market in a little bit, but yeah, and you see this play out, but we are for sure in the range right there. And so yeah, so the EMA is gonna start acting as support soon, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, but so no, yeah, so the things I'm going to start doing, and you start writing stuff down too, because sometimes I know I do forget what I say. So I start writing stuff down and act accordingly. So we are going to be wrapping this up very, very soon, unfortunately, but it is what it is. So yeah, so I'll be back when I see potential trade, and or it might just be calling it quits for the day. I have no idea, but something is compelling me to take a buy right there. I'm not gonna do it just because we're in the trading range. I'm not probably too sure of this trading. I'm not gonna do it just because I'm not too confident with trading in trading ranges as of right now. See if I was on the simulated account, oh yeah, I'm putting it in, but I do see a potential long that could play out if I do put it down right there. I'm gonna mark it out as of right now, just like to show that if it would work or not. But in my eyes, I see that it might actually work out. Wouldn't have gotten filled yet, but very close to like potentially have gotten filled. Okay, would have gotten filled right there. See if it would have worked out though. But I think like, see, I would have entered like right then and there, because I feel like that would have been like way too early to enter, because like it probably would have went against me, stopped me out for a little bit, and then continue to go back to the upside. Okay, so it would have been very close to take profit. Touched it and see, it would have worked, but I don't know. So something was compelling me like that it should work right there, but I didn't have a clear reason. So that's why I wasn't gonna take the trade. I want to have like a clear understanding what's going on entirely. But I'm glad to see like it did take an absurd amount of time to get to where the trade was, for sure, yeah. But I did kind of see that for some reason. Like I said, I just had something like telling me like that's a buy opportunity right there, a long opportunity, but I wasn't taking it because I didn't say anything. So yeah, I'm not gonna take anything that I don't really feel too confident on, and especially if I don't really understand why I'm getting that urge. Maybe when I become a little bit more experienced, I'll take like more gut feelings, and go right into the trade like that, just because my gut says so, basically. But as of right now, that's not good to do, in my personal opinion. But I'm glad that would have worked out though. But this might be an actual long opportunity, because we have first entry short, second entry short right here, but it is not looking the prettiest right now. Keeps going above and below the EMA. Not really, the EMA is not really holding it, so it might be some shorts coming in. I don't necessarily like how it's under the EMA, and it closed under the EMA. That's even worse in my personal opinion. So it's still not a good actually idea to go long. But might work out because it's still in the channel though. It's still in the channel. Okay, yeah, so like I said, I think it worked because first entry long, all right, my bad. First entry short, second entry short, and then bounce up all right here, but it closed under the EMA, which I did not like though entirely. I'm not gonna lie, I really didn't like that. Oops, let me do that. Yeah, see, if it closed above the EMA, then I would be like way more confident, but it did not. The EMA might be holding up as support. I'll put this buy in. Okay, I'll put this buy in.
Stop
I believe in it.
Stop filled.
Okay, I think it's a little too early into the trade once again, unfortunately. But let's see if this plays out. I'm about to play with a wider stop loss. This stop loss is not ideal. So if I'm going to widen my stop loss, because if I was to put my stop loss like right here, would have been good. Yeah, it's starting to go our way now. So I think I'm gonna play with a wider stop loss, but I think I will be going down to MES a little bit to like keep practicing on there until like I get like understanding, like okay, so yeah, this is making sense. So we get some hits with the MES, and then probably come back to the ES and do that. But yeah, I need a wider stop, to be honest. Got my stop underneath this swing. We got entered right here. I'm trying to see how this would play out. Very close to have gotten stopped out. Maybe we can stop that right here. Yeah, okay, we've gotten stopped out. Not okay. I think since it literally just worked out what I was thinking about in the first trade, that's why it really didn't work out the second time. I do still see that as the first short, second short, and then back to the EMA, and then the trend line right here. And then it should have pushed up. Not entirely too sure why it didn't kind of sell off though, but it does happen like that. But we are like having like a little triple, not like a triple like touch, but like basically same like little area. Okay, well double touching right there. I forgot what the term's called, but yeah. But that's unfortunate, but it does happen like that. But I think I will be calling it here though, unfortunately. So I have to leave a little bit early today. So down on the day for $100, but it does be like that, and I do see that. So this mistake right here, I completely see why this one was a fail. So basically, strong downtrend. As soon as like the market like opened, because I think it was still pre-market right here if I'm not mistaken, just a little bit until it opened, starts selling off massively, like crazy right there. Had an overshoot right here, and then I went long, but there's an overshoot, so it's gonna be another extreme, which it eventually did. Didn't stick to what I kind of know, because I kind of knew that, but like I guess I just thought, like, so I said earlier, I thought it was like, it wasn't like an overshoot. I thought this was an overshoot, but it continued to keep going down and just kept going down. So I was like, okay, and so this might not be the overshoot then as well, and then keep going up as soon as it broke the channel. But I was mistaken. But so yeah, I see the error of why this one was wrong, but this one, to be honest, right here, not entirely too sure. However, the only explanation I can potentially come up with is because, like I said, the trade worked out already right here, so it didn't work out right here. That's the best thing I can come up with as of right now. But other than that, I don't see why, because like I said, first entry short, second entry short, look, EMA also a little trend right here, so making what's it called, higher lows, higher highs. So I don't understand why entirely it did break down, but I'm just going off the fact that it would have worked out. It worked right here, so that's why it broke right there. So that's what I'm gonna go with. But that is gonna be the end of today's trading day, at least for me. I hope you guys did, had a better trading day than I did, but yeah, it happens like that. So, and we will for sure bounce back. But yeah, that's gonna be the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and until next video, hope you guys take it easy now.